Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the field of psychology. Let's break down this word to better understand its meaning and pronunciation. We may pronounce it as agoraphobia. 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 Agoraphobia is crucial in mental health, helping professionals to diagnose and treat the intense fear of open or crowded spaces. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about agoraphobia, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.